I just did the Knight 7 board, and I think the base took about maybe 500 points of structural damage across the entire structure. If we add the damage to every block up, took about 500 damage. This one I built for my personal server, and as you can see, this is only one wide. When we build it on our server, the dedicated server, I think we should make it 2 to 3 wide. The stairs will still only be 1, but then probably 3 wide up top, so it's fit for people to be shooting at the zombies down below when we reach there. Quick rundown, basically we have the stairs there, we have a ramp going down to this section, and then a giant cube. That's all this is. What we want the zombies to do is run down these stairs, gather in this holding area, and then jump up onto these blocks. And we are up here shooting down at them and carrying them up. Because the zombies jump really slowly up the stairs, we have plenty of time to kill them. Later on, thinking about upgrading the base, these dirt walls right here, we're going to convert them to concrete or whatever. Thinking we put down 2 dark traps right here, 2 dark traps right here, 2 dark traps here, and 2 dark traps here, and then put pressure plates on here so when the zombies run past here, they the dark shoot of the feet. Hopefully that doesn't set off any demolisers since we're shooting at the feet and not the chest. I think it's okay. Then I was thinking we put a electric fence post here and an electric fence post here. So when they get to the highest level, they get zapped. In case everyone does get that high, and when we're shooting up here, we just kill them there that way. I'm thinking birds might be attacking the top of the structure. Get out of here. Alright, anyway. Once we get birds for the horde as well, I'm thinking putting a blade trap up there, which is spin around and kill any birds that will be attacking us. Since we're going to be standing here, I expect the birds to attack the block directly above our heads. I think 1 blade trap up there should be good enough. Maybe 2 blade traps if we make it 3 wide. I'm not sure. We'll figure that out as we go along. This drone did pretty much nothing. I don't know. Hopefully it does something later on.
I've got a bad feeling about this.